Hello, welcome to the Magic Kingdom. We are at Golden Oak Outpost. Ashton.
Yes.
As long as we work together, I don't think we've ever done it. Have we ever done a food review together, just you and me?
No, not just you and me.
Wow.
This is big day. Big day. Come
Very
on.
exciting. There are 3 new food items released right here in Frontierland today. First one here at Golden Oak Outpost. Ashton, tell us what we're about to eat.
This is hot honey chicken strips with marshmallow and candied pecan-topped sweet potato waffle fries for $12.99. It's a lot.
It's a lot.
It's
You ready?
a lot.
Ready to dig in?
Yeah, you gonna cut me a piece?
I'll cut you a piece.
Thanks.
Since you don't have a knife.
There's bees everywhere.
There are bees everywhere.
They're not honey bees
It's
either.
It's
like,
the hot honey chicken has got them. They're like, I recognize that. Hey, that's my brand. Hey, get out of here, bee.
There's the colony. Hello.
Spike the bee. Please
So now
call your people home.
We have a 3rd reviewer. It's fine. It's not exciting.
It's not that exciting. They basically made the chicken really sticky. Boy, the bees are going crazy for it, though. There's more bees. We should have thought this through.
Yeah, we might have to
Eating
reload.
all the honey right in front of the bees, that's kind of messed up. Oop.
This is a whole different video now. All right, we gotta just try the waffle fries. Sweet potato waffle fries with marshmallow and pecans. I'm dripping in sweat too.
Oh, wow.
That tastes like candy. It's pretty good. I like that more.
When I
than
read it on the menu, I was like, why?
I get it.
But
now.
it's pretty good. It's nice and sweet. It's like eating candy.
It's a good balance, right?
They go
You got
pretty
the
well
sweet
together.
and savory.
Everything here is sticky. The bees love it. The bees are giving it a 7.
Yeah, 7 out of 7 for the bees. I, on the other hand, thinking like 5.
We rate things between 1 and 7. We don't do stars though. We do items. What do we? Are they bees or?
We might have to do bees. I was gonna say horseshoes because Frontierland, but
Yeah, let's do horseshoes then.
okay.
Because not everything
What
is
about horseshoes with bee wings? Can you do that?
flying horseshoe bees.
Yeah,
We could do anything.
we'll see.
We could do anything.
I believe in you.
Believe in you. Yeah, I agree with you. This is like what? How much did this cost?
$12.99.
$12.99. Not bad for theme park prices.
Not the worst.
Yeah, I'm with you. Like 4 or 5. 4 or 5. I'll go up
think-
to a 5 just because I don't want to get stung.
Fair. It's not exciting, but I do think that this would be a good thing for anybody. Like I don't necessarily think that somebody out there wouldn't like one or the other half.
You ready for some Pecos Bill food?
Let's go inside where there's no bees. How about that?
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right, Ashton, you ready for phase 2?
Let's do it.
All right, Pecos Bill has 2 new items.
Yes, we have the barbecue bacon cheeseburger, which is Angus beef, American cheese, house-made bacon jam, and barbecue sauce with French fries. $14.79, excuse me. And then we have
Churro loops.
churro loops, which is just tossed in cinnamon sugar and house-made chocolate ganache for $7.49. It looks like you get 5 loops.
Yep.
So,
All right.
Very exciting.
And just for notes, the burger comes with your basic Disney
Sides.
World French fries.
Yeah.
You can select other things too, but
Yeah.
that's what we picked. So, you want
Yeah.
silverware for this? Or are you gonna just chomp it?
we can just chomp it.
Go for it.
You want one side?
You go first.
You can have this side.
Okay.
Okay. It's a thick burger. It's
Yeah.
also kind of soaked on one side.
Pretty good.
It's not bad.
The patty is dry, but
Yeah.
if you had a burger at Disney World before,
it's pretty
you expect that.
typical. Yeah. I don't know.
actually that patty tastes different. Like this almost tastes like meatloaf.
It's thicker than what I remember Cosmic Breeze having for
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah. It's not
It's
bad.
also more charred, so maybe that's what's giving it that like meatloaf.
I think it's decent.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm not running
Out
back
of
to get
7,
it.
it's a 4 or 5.
I give it a 4.
4 bumblebee horseshoes.
Yes.
Honeybee horseshoes. Okay.
Yeah.
There you have.
I know.
It's not bad. Like I said, the bun's not bad either. Everything about it is fine.
Standard
And
fries.
just fine is sometimes good enough for a theme park food.
Yeah. Standard fries.
Churro loops. We often criticize Disney World churros.
Cautiously optimistic.
We're cautiously optimistic with these ones.
They
Cheers.
are. Oh,
Chocolate dipping sauce.
it's a Disney World churro. But it is a little better. I will say. It's not Disneyland.
I don't love it. I'm gonna try it without this sauce.
It's not as like pucky as they normally are. It's got a crisp outer side.
So
Not a
because it's so
soft inside.
dense, it's just not air. It doesn't have any airiness.
Right. It's missing that
Well, there's no like
middle part.
sort of a light, delicate texture of some churros that are
Right.
really
No,
good.
this is dense.
This is very dense. So that doesn't make it bad. It just doesn't exactly hit the spot I wanted. I'd almost rather have a bigger, fluffier.
Right.
But
You want a
these are great
Disneyland.
for sharing. I want a Disneyland one.
This is better than our Disney World ones.
This is better than your average Disney World churro. Still, I'm gonna say, like you can maybe even see, like you know what the dough is supposed to look like in the middle, and that's sort of all one texture and all sort of dense.
Yeah.
I just think,
There's no air.
I think this is like a 3.
Yeah. I'm not getting it again. I'd rather get the beignets at Outpost. So, yeah.
It's so good.
I don't know.
Yeah, the beignets right there at Golden Oak, they're better.
Yeah. Overall, I think the new items are nice, but not life-altering, and I don't think you need to run out here for them. If you're here and you want to try something
Yeah, give it a
new.
shot. They're, people always get excited when there's new options at Magic Kingdom. People are very familiar.
Yeah.
A lot of people are very familiar with all the options. This is not bad. I think some people really like it. I think some people will be kind of like not overwhelmed, just whelmed.
Yeah.
I'm just whelmed.
Just
with it.
whelmed.
Yeah.
Just whelmed.
All right.
It's all the horseshoes.
Thanks for joining us. Please give us that thumbs up and
Yeah.
subscribe if you haven't.
We'll see you
We'll
next time.
time.
Bye.